Hi, my name's Sue and this is Sue Marie P. Today I want to share how to make overnight oats but totally dairy free. I'm going to use some Greek style soy yogurt, which is a natural yogurt. I'm using soy milk. In here I've got my rolled oats. So let's get started. So I've got a cup, just 1 cup of rolled oats in here, but you can use porridge oats, whatever oats you like. If gluten-free is important, make sure they're gluten-free oats. And I like to add in some chia seeds, so that's half a tablespoon or 3 teaspoons. Ground flaxseed, that's 3 teaspoons or half a tablespoon. And then we're just going to add in all the liquid. So I've got 250 mils of the soy milk, and you can use any type of milk that you'd like. Plant-based milk, normal milk, that's like 1 cup. And I've already got the yogurt out, so I'm going to add in just 1/4 cup of yogurt. And we like quite a thick texture, but if you wanted more of a loose runny texture, just add a little bit more yogurt. So I'm going to add a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. I love cinnamon in everything, and cinnamon's so great. I usually put it in my porridge, but these oats are a great way to have oats the next day, but you don't have to stand there preparing your porridge. And a teaspoon of vanilla. This is optional. This is just my way of doing it. I thought I'd share it with you. And I didn't have any spare jars, fancy jars to do it in, so I just thought I'd do it in the bowl to show you how you can do it. And all I didn't bother covering it with any plastic. I just covered it with a little plate. But if you've got a seal top container, or you can do it in individual jars. This is what I did, popped the plate on, and I rested it in the fridge overnight. And if you're forgetful like me, like I just did, I forgot to add the maple syrup in. My husband's got a sweet tooth, so he likes things a little bit sweeter, so I have to adapt things to him, but this is optional. So don't forget, if you want a little bit of sweetener, add a tablespoon of maple syrup or honey or something like that. Then you cover it and pop it in the fridge. I'm going to do a quick cleanup and then I'm going to show you how I served it. What I should have said was, this is the style of jar, or bigger if you wanted to make the oats in a jar the night before. And depending on your appetite, how big you wanted to have it, this is the one I made yesterday. So there was about 100 grams per serve, and this is quite thick. We liked it thicker. And it's quite filling. I found that this was enough to eat. That was 1/3 cup. But if you've got a super large appetite, double your quantity. So I've just placed a spoonful of the thick overnight oats on the plate. And then I added some toppings. So I've got some toasted walnuts here. So you can just sprinkle those over the top. And we love seeds, so I've got some pumpkin seeds. These are just natural, so pop them on top. Sunflower seeds. And then I've got some blueberries here that I defrosted. They were frozen ones, and we just added those, so we didn't need any extra sweetener or anything. And we don't like extra yogurt, but feel free to add extra yogurt if that's what you like. But it's always good to let the oats sit overnight before you add your toppings. So that's it. That's my overnight oats, dairy-free, absolutely delicious, jam-packed full of goodness, a healthy option, and fast, quick and easy to make ready for breakfast. And if you wanted to take it to work, pop it in a jar, and then it's ready to grab out of the fridge before you go to work. Thank you for watching. I hope you've liked my quick breakfast idea for overnight oats, non-dairy, and don't forget, hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you're new here today, share it with a friend, and stick around. I'll pop a few other recipe ideas up above. See you next time. Bye.